Hello everyone, I am Praveen Katia, faculty of Civil Engineering Department from SIRTE, and welcome to Sage Group. Now we are talking a subject of building construction. Topic is building component. So let's we start. Introduction. Building construction is an ancient human activity. It began with the purely functions need for a controlled environment to moderate the effect of climatic constructed shelter, where one means by which a human being were able to adapt themselves to a wide variety of climates and become a global species. Now, the history of civil construction was began the period of primitive humans from the protection against cold rain, heat, etc. They made a cave as their shelter. Next one is, but that was not enough. Have did not remain safe for long. So huts from the straw and leaves evolutions goes on. But for the better comfort, civil construction got evolved and is still evolving. Now, next slide. Types of building. Now, these are types of building. Types of building are based on a occupancy. For example, such as storage building, industrial building, mercantile building, business building, assembly building, institutional building, educational building, residential building, hazardous building. Now, residential building in which sleeping arrangement are provided with or without cooking arrangement. It includes a single or multi-family dwelling, aparts, lodging, restaurant, hostel, dormitories, and hotels. Educational building next include any these include any building used for school, college, education purpose. Next one, institutional building. These buildings used for a different purpose such as a medical or other treatment. They include hospitals, sanatorium, jails, etc. Assembly building. These are buildings where the group of peoples meet or gather for the amusement, social, religious, political, civil travel, and similar purpose. Example like a theaters, motion, pictures, houses, assembly halls, restaurant, assembly halls, etc. Now, business building. These buildings are used for transactions of business, for keeping accounts, and for similar other purpose. Next one, mercantile building. These buildings are used as a shops, stores, market for display and sales of merchandise, either a wholesale or retail, office, shop, storage service. Industrial building. These are buildings where the product or material of all kinds or properties are fabricated, assembled, manufactured, or processed. Storage building. These buildings are used up primarily for the storage or sheltering of goods, wares or merchandise, vehicles, and animal grains. Last one is hazardous building. These buildings are used for the storage of handling, manufacturing, or processing of highly combustible such as explosive materials or product. Now, load. This is a diagram of typical cross sections of a building. Now, basically, there are six types of load will be shown in slide: dead load, live load, wind load, rain load, snow load, and earthquake load. Common building component basically are two types of structure: superstructure and substructure. These are basically a building component. Superstructures is a part of the building which is above the ground and which serve the purpose of building intent use, like a plinth, wall and column, beams, arches, roofs and slab, lintel and arch, chhajjas, parapet, step and stair. Now, substructure is the lower portion of the building which is located below the ground level, which transmit the load of the superstructure to the subsoil, like a foundations. Foundation is the basic function of foundation to transmit the load from building to the subsoil. Settlement are within a permissible limit. The soil does not fail in shear, reduce the load intensity, even distribution of load, provide a level surface. Now these are types of foundation. Basically there are two types of foundations, are shallow foundation and deep foundation. They are also categorized of shallow and deep. Now, shallow foundation are the categories of footing: strap footing, spread footing, combined footing, and mat footing. Now, deep foundation are pile, pier, well, and or caisson. Spread footing. Spread footing basically are for wall and for a column. Combined footing are rectangular and trapezoidal. For wall, simple, stepped, and grillage. Now the for column are single, stepped, and sloped. Thank you so much.